What's going on, guys? It's myself, Ruff Fusion, and welcome back to another unboxing video. But what I needed was a new screwdriver set because I don't even know where my other one's gone. It's literally gone missing. So I've come across with one of these, and these were like 25 UK pounds from Argos, and that's where I got it from, guys. So I thought I'd just share it out with all of you. So as you all notice, I'm mostly a gaming channel, but I'll do it for the purpose of this videos and show you all what I've actually bought. So we start off with going through the package itself. So what comes with it is a slotted screwdrivers, 8 to 150 millimeters, 6 by 150 mil, 5 by 125 millimeters, and 4 by 100. So Phillips screwdrivers, the bits driver precision screwdrivers, oh wow, and 175 mil flexible bit shank gives you all the sizes of the sockets, 50 mil socket adapter, various 25 mil screwdriver bits, and the features are starter toolkit suitable for small jobs around the home, high carbon steel material compact storage case, which I actually do like. And not only that, I don't know if they are actually magnetic or what, but if they are magnetic, it's an absolute bonus. So let's get into this. Let's see if I can just open this. Let me just get into it if I can. Ah, there we go. Okay. Just have to say, a bit of ASMR if that's possible. Only joking. The sound of unwrapping, I should say, that relaxes your minds. So let's just take this off, and there we go. And then slide off the cardboard here. There we go. Ah, as you can see, I just like how it's presented. It says Guild on here. Never heard of these guys, but I thought I'd just get this. And I just like the lime green design, and it goes well with the black. So let's just open this thing up, shall we? Okay. Snap the locks off. How does this even go? Okay. Right. Opens up like this. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is so good. And also, this is one of the reasons why I've got this, due for like doing PC upgrades and stuff like that. So it's used for like various jobs. It comes with like this foam here. And even looking at this, wow. Okay. Right then. So I was gonna say, where's the ratchet screwdriver? It's gotta be somewhere. Ah, there it is. It's not a ratchet screwdriver, which I thought it was a ratchet anyway. It's just like a manual one. So this goes on here. Goes on here like this. It's got, and it's, wow, it's actually got a flexi thing on it for like screwed into like awkward places at the corner of the cupboards, pieces of wood, whatever you want to name it. So this is like handy for it. But also when you're installing the CPU cooler, like the Noctua D14, D17 or whatever, that is so awkward to get in. This will be the one for it. And this will go on here. And even looking at this, it's even got a lock on it, to be fair. Okay, sorry about the moments where I'm slurring a bit, because I'm just not long got up and I'm just ready to do a bit of upgrading and a bit of like constructive stuff. And you got the general, like the negative and the positive screwdriver attachments. You've got the Allen key, the hexagon attachments there. Sorry about the autofocus. Let me just sort this out. Ah, there we go. So looking at this, you got 6 mil, 5.5, 5 mil, 4 mil, 2 mil, and you got the torque attachments as well, the T numbers here. And then we got all the rest of the general screwdriver bits. And even looking at this, let me just put this back here. I'm so amazed that these have got the actual socket attachments, but it doesn't come with a ratchet spanner, or known as a torque wrench, I should say. Okay, and then we got the precision screwdriver bits here. Things for like maintaining small things like glasses, anything else that requires precision screwdrivers, it's very handy for that. But, oops, sorry about that. I just have to say, this is the first time I'm actually unboxing a screwdriver set, because I've never even done it before, so you're going to have to excuse the times that I'm doing my best to try and make this as good as possible, but it feels like I'm absolutely so terrible at this, guys. But just have to say, that's all I've got to do for the unboxing, and that's about it. One thing I've actually missed out is all of these are actually magnetic, so if you can see this one, yeah, the screw literally sticks to it without a problem. But the precision screwdriver compartment is actually magnetic, which is absolutely brilliant. So all of this here, even the sockets, are not, unfortunately, but I wish there was. But other than that, I actually rate this whole kit. I think it's an actual piece of kit, and it's brilliant as well, guys. So £25, you can't even go wrong with it, of course. And make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel, and feel free to become part of the Fusion crew, because I actually am a live streamer. I stream a lot of Nintendo games like Super Mario Maker 2, Splatoon, Mario Kart 8, Super Smash. What else do I stream? Super Mario 3D. And Animal Crossing is one of my favourite ones that I love live streaming anyway. And I've built such a great community around that game. And there's quite another few non-Nintendo games that I do live stream is Minecraft, Knockout City, which I've started doing recently, Rocket League, Fortnite, and Apex Legends. I am going to start doing very, very soon. So anyway, I'll see you all soon. Take care. Peace.